Hello everyone, it's Corvette Dan. Welcome back to the channel. What you're about to see is the Father's Day Car Show 2025. So smash that thumbs up, click the notification bell, buckle up, and stay tuned. All right, everybody, as we are here at the car show, I'm going to just warn you, I may have to mute and put on some generic music because they keep playing music that might have copyright infringements on it. So we're going to go walk this way and just start looking at some of these wonderful cars that we see here. This is the 2025 Father's Day Car Show. SUVs seem to be all the rage here in these days. So we'll look at some old pickup trucks, all these old Fords. These are looking cool. Yep, I'm liking them. Ford, F-150s, F-100, Rangers. Wow, this looks like a club almost. Wow, these are kind of neat. These are kind of neat. Look at that. This has got to be a Ford pickup truck club. These are cool though. Here we go. More My Speed. Chevelle Super Sport. Or is this just what they call the Super Sport? I don't know, you tell me. I don't always get them right. It's beautiful. Nonetheless. I'm interested in this. 52 Vic? No. What do they call this thing? Let's take a look. 52 Chevrolet Deluxe Style Line. Not sure what the license plate means, but that's okay. Moving on. Pontiac Catalina. 4-door. Wish it had the stock rims, but it actually looks pretty good just the way it sits. Save those hubcaps. They're hard to come by. Alright, let's move on. 442 were sold. Nice. You don't see these around much. Most people just drove these into the ground in the 80s. Let's get a look at some Cadillacs. Ooh. Liking this one. Liking this one, folks. Liking this one a lot. I'm liking this one a lot. Here's a Buick. Another Buick? Is this a Buick? Yeah, this is a Buick. Tastefully done. Caprice, I like these. Gotta love it, gotta love it, gotta love it. Let's move on. What's this, a Hellcat Challenger SRT? Look at the size of that freaking blower, man. Woo! This is one for my father-in-law. He had a 78. Or 77, I'm not sure, I don't remember. This is a 77. I don't know if he had a 77 or a 78, I don't remember. Had it since new, I sold it, I don't remember when he sold it. Had it for a long time though. Well, that's what your Challengers look like in the interior, folks. More My Speed coming up here. Like it, I like it, I like it, I like it. Quite a bit of modifications to that interior. Some underhood mods as well.
I
2020 Corvette. I think it's a 3LT. Natural dipped interior. That looks nice. Looks nice. Looks nice. IROC Z, you don't see these much anymore. This looks nice. This looks nice.
Don't look like wow.
C7 Grand Sport. Beautiful. I'm liking it. I am liking it. Liking it a lot. Liking it a lot. It's a nice car. Another Vette for us to enjoy. www.americanstreetmachines.com. Check those folks out.
I'm hoping that vehicle was moved. That was supposed to be moved. Did they move it?
Looks like a 76. That is a 76.
There was a Toyota out there.
Looks nice and clean underneath the hood.
On Lawndale. I'm hoping it was moved. License plate number again, CP27280.
Wow.
If you did not move it, I think they're about ready to tow it.
Nice.
The Corvette's got 32,000 original miles.
I like it. I like it.
That's all his original paperwork on the dash.
I got a 68 at home. It's beautiful.
The replica city sticker, that's new.
Yeah, those are cool too. You can get those. I like those. 1919 Ford Model T.
This next song is a trivia related to the song and
The original toolkit, or at least a facsimile thereof. And a Continental. Beautiful. Another Hemi Challenger. And again, if this mutes and goes to music, it's because of the copyright. We'll see what happens when they post it. Beautiful. 327. Nice. A lot of different depictions of what a Batmobile is. And there's one of them. Alright, let's move over this way a little bit, see what else we can see, because I see something I want you to see. See? We're going to the sea to see what we can see. We'll stop by and take a quick look at this. Again, I apologize, I am talking, but if it ever gets to where you hear it go into music, there's a reason for it. This is something you don't see much of anymore these days. Like it, I 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 like it a lot. What do you think, folks? Ah. Nice. Nice. And look at this. Jaguar. Or as they say in England, Jaguar. This is cool. This is real cool. Type E. Nice. Nice. '77 Continental. There's another one we don't see a lot of anymore. 57 Chevys. It's a shame, but that's the truth. Alright, I'll tell you right now, it's going to go to generic music, because this song is definitely a copyright infringement. I know that for a fact. Alright, what can we do here? Let's just keep looking at the cars. We'll mute out the music when we modify this and edit this video for consumption. From all my fans here. Look at this. C4 Corvette. Mid-80s. Some custom touches. I'm liking it. It's in good shape. It's in very good shape. Look at there. Tune board. What's this, an 86 maybe? Let's see. 89, 89. Nice car. Let's walk around these gentlemen here. Some awesome vehicle. Awesome vehicle. Awesome. All right. Let's go this way. Excuse me. Thank you. Let's get back over down into the middle of all the goodies. Check out this nice car here. Let's see what we got. See what we got. Woo! You like it? I like it. I like it a lot. All right. What else can we see? Let's get moving. Let's get moving, folks. Trying to make sure we drown out the music. I'd hate to have to mute this for the sake of copyrights. That ain't my cup of tea, but that's definitely an interesting car. That's crazy right there. Cadillac. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot, folks. Oops. And heading towards the back. Let's see what we got here. More trucks. Lots of trucks here this year. I don't quite get it, but that's okay. Everybody seems to think they need a truck or an SUV these days. We know better. This is nice. Yeah, I guess nice ain't the word. This is BA, as they'd call it, right? Yeah, that's what they would call it. Back more to my speed here. Another C4 Corvette. 1995. Torch red, as they call it. Nice. Dig that, folks.
How do you like it, my friend?
I like it.
Well, this one's nicer.
Corvette Dan likes
Well,
all
look, this
Corvettes.
one's better, Dan. This one right here is better.
Love it. Love it. 1961 Corvette, I think.
This is.
It's a beautiful car.
61.
This is what they call the C1 generation, folks. We don't see too many of these on the road anymore. Saw plenty of them at Carlisle, but that's beside the point. Black interior, red exterior, 4-speed, 283. Fuel injected, that's another, yeah. Love it, love it, love it, folks. Love it. This car should win an award today. We don't know if it will, but it should. Beautiful. Nova. That is a giant blower. It's cool. It's cool. Love the Novas. Automatic on the floor. SS. Corvette Dan's first car was what? You're right, a Nova. And look at this, Corvair. These don't get it enough love. We'll get a look at it though. We'll get a look at it. We'll check it out. And there goes the train. Choo choo. Choo choo Charlie. Dodge Challenger convertible. Nice. That's cool. I will tell you what, that's cool. Real cool. You don't see a lot of these. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Almost tripped over that thing again. What are you gonna do? right, folks, that concludes today's Father's Day Car Show 2025. There's some things here that I'm not really going to film, so please smash that thumbs up, click the notification bell. This is Corvette Dan. Until the next one, thank you very much.